Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're taking you on a journey to one of Europe's most beautiful destinations, Croatia. This country is full of natural beauty, from stunning beaches to towering mountains, and we can't wait to show you some of the highlights. Let's start with Croatia's beaches. Croatia boasts more than 1,000 islands, each with its own unique character and charm. The clear turquoise waters of the Adriatic Sea lap against the rugged coastline, making for some truly breathtaking vistas. Some of the most popular beaches include Zlatni Rat on the island of Brač, and the stunning Blue Cave Beach on the island of Bajsevo. But there's more to Croatia than just beaches. The country is home to 8 national parks, each with its own unique landscapes and natural wonders. Plitvice Lakes National Park is one of the most popular, with a series of interconnected lakes and waterfalls that seem to glow a brilliant blue-green in the sunlight. Krka National Park is another gem, with cascading waterfalls that provide the perfect backdrop for swimming and relaxation. If you're more of a mountain person, Croatia has plenty to offer in that department as well. The Dinaric Alps run along much of the country's coast, with peaks reaching over 2,000 meters in height. Hiking and mountaineering are popular activities here, and the views from the top are absolutely breathtaking. You can even take a cable car up Mount Srd in Dubrovnik for a bird's-eye view of the city and surrounding landscape. Croatia is also home to some beautiful rivers and lakes. The Cetina River is a popular spot for kayaking and rafting, and the emerald green waters of the River Una in the north of the country are a favorite for swimming and fishing. Lake Vrana, the largest lake in Croatia, is located near the town of Beograd and is home to a variety of bird species. There you have it, just a taste of the natural beauty that Croatia has to offer. From stunning beaches to towering mountains, there's something for everyone in this beautiful country. We hope you've enjoyed this video and that it's inspired you to add Croatia to your travel bucket list. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next adventure.